Here's where you can go to find the dual video recording mode on your Samsung phone with Android 15 One UI 7.0. And before I continue, not every Samsung phone has this feature. Most likely the flagship tier phones will have this only. Assuming you are using the default Samsung camera app, you'll want to go into it. And once you enter into this section here, you will want to go to where it says more, to the very bottom section right here where it says more. As you tap on more, you'll notice that this menu will pop up, and one of them is going to be dual record, this right here, the one that has this icon right there. As you tap on it one time, it's going to take you to this here, and you will notice that for those of you who go into it for the first time, you probably have the one with the small frame up here. So you'll tap right there on these four round dots right here, and once you go into it, you'll notice that there is a option right here next to the X, this one right here. This here, by tapping on it, that's going to give you the different view modes here. And you'll notice now as I tap on it a second time, it's going to take me to this little frame here. I'll go tap it again. This is a split view and then the picture-in-picture view mode here, all right? And tapping on this here will flip it, okay? And that's that. Like and sub.